Well, hello, my berries. It's me, Darkberry32, behind the camera. And my daughter, she went shopping. Where did you go?
Five Below.
Uh-huh. Goodwill?
Goodwill.
Uh-huh. Ooh. Oh, so we got us a good old haul, y'all. She came over to share all this with me, so I was like, hey, don't just share it with me. We want to share it with you guys.
The Five Below part.
Mm-hmm.
And I saw the items.
Okay. All right, so let's get started.
Alright, first we have
Ooh.
these. I'm gonna wear these at work instead of wearing white ones. So the camouflage.
Okay.
I mean, $5 and something.
Okay.
Then,
I didn't know they carried those. Oh, yes.
but they're a medium, so I don't know. But they have
Those
a
are
little
cute
strap.
because it's getting cool here in Houston, so that's really cute for the winter. All right.
And then I should have got you. But I don't know if you like pants.
Let me see. No, I don't like pants. You know, I'm a shorts person when it comes to bed. I like to wear those around the house. Those are stinking cute.
This one I got a large because I didn't know. I think I should have got it.
But they'll be
But I
nice
didn't
and
want it-
baggy
yeah,
and
that's how I
warm.
wanted it.
That's a pretty color. Ooh,
At least I
yeah.
think so.
I'm excited, guys. I don't know about y'all.
I got these.
From
But-
Five Below. Is it
Yeah,
Five
but-
Below or Five and Below? What is it?
Five Below.
Okay, Five Below. All right.
But if you get these,
Mm-hmm.
you have to, because I thought I was going to be able to fit a large. Because I tried to do a medium, but it says 7 to 8, and I was like, let me do a large. The large, like, my foot was kind of outside, but kind of inside, so I got the extra large.
Oh. Oh, okay. Because you
And I
normally
was trying to get
wear
some
like
black ones.
you normally wear a 9, 8.5.
8.5. Well, it depends, but I want to say 8.5.
So you need an extra large in that. Okay, guys. So take note of that.
Good.
And she has a narrow foot too, so that is cute.
And then I got a cup, because the cup I have in my car.
So you looking like you're still in high school.
I was gonna get pink,
And it comes with a straw.
and
Right.
then on the top, take the straw out. Do that.
Oh, cool. That's
And
cute.
then this opens.
Oh, awesome.
And then now there was 4 candles, and I said, there was more candles on the other side. They all smell good except for one. I got Winter Wonderland.
Let me smell. I'll tell you guys what it smells like.
They all smelled like fruity and like candy, like.
Oh, that's pretty. That is, gosh, what could I say that's like? It's sweet, but not flower sweet, not like floral sweet.
Right.
It's like a caramel, light sweet caramel color, scent. I don't keep saying flavor.
This burns approximately 60 hours.
That's good for $5. You know, these candle companies are giving like Bath and Body Works a run for their money, because you know those things are like $20, and people always waited for the coupons to get those. And that's a 3-wick candle, correct?
And I just got.
Is that a 3-wick candle?
Oh. Yeah.
All right.
Then I just got another phone mount because mine doesn't work. But the one that I like, everybody knows.
No.
The whole thing's not.
So a car
Let me get
mount.
this one, yeah.
Okay.
This is 6 here. And I got chargers and screen protector. That's what I went in there for.
And then you came out with all.
But it's like the electronics was all the way
back.
in the back. And then I first started. Then I started with the shoes.
They know what they're doing at Five Below.
And then they have a self checkout. And
Oh,
one register.
but this is over
But that
another
one's in
side.
Cypress, yeah.
Okay. So
And this Goodwill.
in Cypress.
Yeah.
Oh.
They
Have you
had,
been to
like-
that one?
Yeah, they had the the electronic stuff. They had the TVs on, the lamps on. Then
So let's go for Goodwill.
I got a movie,
What do you get?
Princess and the Pauper.
All right.
It's my favorite movie. It's got my favorite song in there.
Okay.
Then I got 2 pairs of jeans. These are H&M, I think.
Oh wow.
Yeah, H&M, and they fit really good.
Cool.
And they were orange, and orange was $5.
Oh, it was?
Yeah. But you should have been there.
Today's Thursday. Isn't it? Okay, I was gonna say. And then
I got these. I don't know, shoes. They're kind of tight, but I figure when you wear them, they'll stretch out.
okay.
They come like. And then, okay, I got this orange pants. And I wasn't gonna get them, but then I was like, I feel like I could do something.
Okay. I don't know. You could do something with that. Yeah.
Okay, now this is that one. I went to
Burlington.
I went to the shoe got that. And I finally got the shoes that I want.
Oh, those are so cute. So, y'all, we went to Goodwill the other day and found some shoes this size, but they were too big. Oh, and they're Juicy Couture. I mean, yeah, Juicy Couture, right? Yeah. Oh, yeah, those are cute.
Because I saw some at the Goodwill before I went, and then I saw these. And I was like,
How much were those?
these were $19.99.
Not bad. Juicy
I know these are
Couture,
cheaper than the
Burlington,
other
guys.
shoes I got. And then I had to pick between these and another pair. They're basically the same, but this one has like gems on the side, and the other one has a Juicy Couture around my ankle. But the other one was like an 8, and it kind of fit tight. But I'm scared that the gems are gonna come out, but I'm probably not gonna wear these a lot.
Let's see up close. Oh, those are cute.
And the other one's like
And I think they're great for fall too, because they're closed-toed, but still kind of
it's like soft.
stylish. All right. Is that it? Well, guys, let's thank Kayla for coming over and doing this quick little haul. Like, I had such a hard day today. It's been a long day as far as working, and I actually called her and she was on her way, and I was like, oh, what a way to brighten my day, because it was really crazy today. So thank you again, Kayla, for your quick haul. And I think she did a great job. I like that. You know, like, I'm passing it on. She knows how to bargain shop and get a lot for her money with her being a college student. So, all right, guys, thank you again for watching our haul video today. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, or give Kayla a thumbs up, and subscribe and comment below. Let us know what you think of her bringing over her goodies. All right, we'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye. Alright guys, thank you again so much for watching my video. But if you would like to stay in contact with me when I'm not on YouTube, you can do so by following me on Facebook at Darkberry032 and Darkberry32 on Twitter and Instagram. I'm always on Instagram putting up different videos. And again, if you don't mind, please hit that subscribe button. That would help me out a lot with YouTube, and it'll get my algorithms up to par and everything. So if you guys appreciate these types of videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time I put up a video. Okay, guys, thank you again. Bye.